I don't know why I think reading sometimes will help me before I go to bed. Because sometimes I just can't stop reading. If you have a signature hair color, I think you're so— Hello, welcome. How's it going? My room is a shambles. Let me show you. So, this is what my room is currently looking like. There's stuff everywhere. Yeah, it looks great. Exceptional. Stellar, if you will. I have to declutter, but I also have to get ready for bed because, you know, usually I don't have a lot of time when I get home to do these things. And I want to read and I want to eat something. So, and I have about 2 hours to do such things. Really less than 2 hours, an hour and a half at most. So what we're going to do is we're going to set a timer, 20-minute timers. I was just thinking about how I also have to edit a video because, you know, it's Vlogtober. So anyway, I was just thinking about that and how I have no time, but that's okay. That's okay. We're going to get it done. We're going to do our best. We're going to set a timer. But first I'm going to, well, within the timer, I'm still going to go downstairs and put something in the air fryer. Why is my camera doing that? You good? You good, sis? What happened? Oh, I bet it was the light. Did the light do that? No, the light didn't do that. I don't know why it was doing that. Anyway, we're going to set a 20-minute timer. Ugh. And we're going to go put something in the air fryer. So, what I need to do is a little to-do list. I need to fix something to eat. I need to declutter my room. I need to edit a video. I mean, am I realistically going to do this in 2 hours? I don't know, but we're going to try. We are in fact going to try. So let's go. Let's do our best. Don't be defeated. Don't be defeated before you even begin, okay? Go put something in the air fryer and get back up here and declutter this room. Let's go. My daughter pancakes and sausage. She ate these are the extra pancakes. She didn't eat those, but she also didn't eat the sausage. So I think I might just warm these up and eat this. My daughter wanted breakfast for dinner, so I made this for her. And I really didn't make any for me, but there was leftovers, so that's great. Here we go with this focus again. So I'm going to eat this. My bed is made. I'm going to upload the footage for my video. And then, yeah, go from there. I'm making pretty good time. So it's been 15 minutes, maybe like 20. And I ended up not doing a 20-minute timer because I was like, heating up my food at the same time, and I was heating up on the stove. So I was doing like 5-minute timers. So there's that. But I'm going to catch my breath and then put this footage into my editing software so we can get the video going. Look at my little Twilight over there, waiting for me to read her. I'm literally about to read her. I need to flip to where I'm at in the book because I've been reading it on my Kindle. So, and I haven't really been paying attention to like how far I've been going. I've just been trying to make sure I do some reading. So, let's see. It says I'm on chapter 8, page 165. So, okay. Made a little bit of headway. $165. So that's how far I am currently. So I'm literally gonna do some reading. The main thing I've been wanting to do is read at night, read more physical books. And so what I need to do is stop watching YouTube before I go to bed, even though I love watching YouTube before I go to bed. I need to stop watching YouTube before I go to bed. Just in the way of like taking that time to read. So it's already like late enough where I should be like laying down, but I want to do a couple of planner things. So I want to my habit things. Okay. And then I currently have like just a few different planners just because I just have a few different planners because halfway through the year I've decided to get a notebook and make it a planner is really what I did, but that's okay. I mean, it is what it is. I bought a new pen. Let me show you this pen that I bought that I spent $15. It was like $14 on. The pen is amazing though. The pen is amazing. So literally I found a pen at work on the ground. And I was like, oh, this is nice. This is a nice pen. And then I started writing with it. And I was like, oh, this is a really nice pen. And then I Googled it after I used it a couple times. And I was like, this is a nice pen. So now I have my own. And it's rose gold. And it's Bright's 0.7, which I didn't think I liked. But I love it. I kind of love it. I kind of love it. Ooh. So the one that I found like moves around. This one's like new and fresh, so it doesn't move. But I'm gonna write in my planner with it while I wait for my video is exporting. It's gonna be one of the things with like, well, this video wasn't that bad. And that's the thing about vlogging. I think like, as long as you like stay on topic of what your vlog is, you should be good because you won't have to edit a lot. But yeah, so sometimes when I get the planning, I lose track of time, and that's not good. That's not good. We have to like stay within a good time because I have other things to do. Like I want to read. So anyway, I'm just gonna write in. The easiest thing with me, like brain dump. Look at that. Look at that muscle. Oh, okay. Brain dumping, like sometimes I just get afraid of like it being messy. But what I've learned since I started like making lists like at work is I just need to get the things like out on paper, and then I can like go back through and assess, right? And so like I make little arrows, little dots. Like it doesn't matter if it's messy. Like if I can understand it, that's all that matters. So getting the things out. Oh, and I hit all my habits for my tracker, which I love. Well, with my, I have a personal tracker. Then I have a tracker for my 12-week year. So anyway, but I love the fact that I hit all the things. I don't know why I think reading sometimes will help me before I go to bed, because sometimes I just can't stop reading. But it's literally 11 and I need to be up in 5 hours. Hey, thanks for watching this vlog, guys. I hope you're enjoying Vlogtober, and I'll catch you tomorrow. We did some good decluttering today. We had a good routine this evening. Now we just need to keep the routine up so we can just propel right through the end of the month. So yeah, reading before bed, no videos, and hopefully I have good rest. I will let you know tomorrow if my rest was good. Granted, I'm gonna have less rest. Oh, I need to take my medicine. Granted, I'm gonna have less rest than I would like to, but sometimes that's okay. Like, I don't know, like my rest seems to be more sound if like electronics aren't involved before bed. So I will let you know tomorrow if the theory is correct.